Here I will show you how to use the group command. Here we have two sets of drawing. The first group or the first drawings or objects on the left side are created in the block. If you want to change anything on this block, you have to double click it and go into the block editor. Then you can change any of the objects or erase here and close the block editor and click save changes. Now once you created this block, any blocks that you have copied with the same block name and was created with this same block too will be automatically changed based on the changes or revisions you have done created within this block. So while the group command is a separate entity or command which will group all these objects, but once you copied it and created another copies of this group and you want to change this first group, it will not update the copied group, so it doesn't update it, unlike the block command. So that is the difference between block and group command. Now we're going to use the group command to group this object. Let's use group and let's select this object, click enter, and now it should be grouped together, but it's still separated, it's not grouped. So if you encounter this issue, just click this group selection on and off, pick once or select once to make it on. Now you can select that group object. Once this is off, you can actually edit anything here. You can erase here and you can turn it on back, and the group has been changed with the removal of that item. So now let's have it group so we can actually copy it in one. Let's copy it here, or let's create the copy including the group and the box so it's easily seen in the difference. Let's say here is a group object and I want to edit this and just turn off, and let's say, so let's turn it off for this object. You can just edit or just turn it off. This is great, and then we can select each individual item here. We also save. Now let's click back the group again. Here it's grouped together, but we have edited this part of the group objects, but this copied group object still maintains the same. So that is the difference between the group command and the block command. Now we're going to select this group so we can place a name here, but then we need to get to select the group edit, and once we have selected the group edit, these selections will be provided. One is add object, remove object, and you can also rename. Now let's go and rename this as group one. So it has to be straightforward, without any spaces. So let's have it as group one, enter, and that we have already set the name for this group. Once we go to the group manager, you will see that the group one is here. It's already listed in this group name and it is selectable. We don't want it unnamed, you can actually do it unnamed, but we want to have it named so you can easily call it. Click OK. Now let's name this second group. Let's go and set ready and rename it as group 2. Enter. So now we have to go to group manager, and there we have group 1 and group 2. We can also edit it, create new group, remove or add anything, or rename or reorder the group. So click OK. Now you can also ungroup this object if you don't want to use it in a group. Let's just copy one set first and let's ungroup it. Select this group, and here we can actually ungroup it. Now it's all individual elements and object without a group. So we only have two groups, group 1 and group 2. Now we have, it's like exploding the block into each individual element, but here it's called ungroup. Now once here you can see there's also a bounding element. Actually you can also turn off the ground group bounding box by clicking this, and once you select this, you don't have the box. If you want to see the box, just select this group and group bounding box, click it on so you can see it once you select the group. Here also same thing, if you want to remove the bounding box, you can just turn it off from this group bounding box screen. So basically that is how to use group command in